Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the radiator on 2002 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder. The car has been leaking for a long time, but the customer just keep adding the coolant. He said like he doesn't know where it leaked from, but he doesn't know that. You see on the top of the radiator, you see the red color around here is leaking for a long time, but he doesn't know that. So right now, it's time to replace the new one, guys. Okay, let me show you. Okay, you just take out. You see the bolt here. 1 second. It's a 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7 8 9 bolts. Okay, it's number 10 millimeter. Okay, let me leave the camera in here and start working on it. Okay. This is number 10 millimeter, guy. Okay, start remove it. This one is a quick job. You can try it at home, okay? And one more is a horn. They use number 12 millimeter. I forgot to tell you in here for the horn. Okay, this two number 12. Okay, so just move the part here. Just pull it. Oh, one more 10 in here. This one is a holder inside. It's number 10 millimeter. Hello? Yeah, I'm at the shop now. Yeah? Yeah, nhưng mà anh mưa ban bàn tay vừa chưa và hai chưa còn bàn thưa bàn ấy một ngày mình drop lan tràn á. I can take a look at but first you have to drop it off, bro. If you have time to drop it off, okay, bro. Oh, where are you at? Yeah. Okay, thank you. See the numbers 10 in here, and they stuck with the plastic in here. Just remove it. See? Oh. Okay, doesn't want to come out, right? Okay, here we go. Pop it. See this? Ooh, this one is the original one, Toyota. Wow, it takes so long. It's 02. 02 until now, over 20 years, but it's still alive. See it? The radiator leaking very badly. See all the spot in here. Let me use a flashlight to show you. It's leaking for a long time, I guess. Okay, so it's time to remove it. Don't forget, okay, before you do anything, drain the coolant first. All right. It's time to remove the hose. Okay. It's simple, just pop this air box out and disconnect the hose. Okay, remove the upper radiator hose out, and then we remove the lower radiator hose and disconnect the transmission cooler hose, both of them. Disconnect the wire, the radiator fan, the radiator gonna be pops out. Very simple. Okay. my life dropped a little bit. So you see it right now. You just disconnect the hose in here, the overflow to the side, and this connects the radiator fan. Okay, plug it. Just disconnect the plug. So okay, doesn't want to come out. Alright, Joe, he's connected. Alright, so it's clear right now. And one more thing, like I said, you see the lower radiator hose in here, disconnected. Just the clamp, pop it to the side. Alright. It's very simple, okay? This only 4 hoses need to be disconnected, and the radiator gonna be pops up. Okay, let me. Okay, and 2 more hoses down there. Okay, these are for the transmission cooler. From the transmission go to the cooler. All right, now I just disconnected. Use the clamp, pop it out, boom. On the job you can do at home, guarantee. You know, like 4-cylinder one, the engine 4-cylinder, very simple and easy to do it, but not the 6-cylinder one. The 6-cylinder a little bit picky. It's too much work need to be done in somehow. But oh, I get confused. For the Toyota Camry, it's easy. I confused about the Sienna. Toyota Sienna V6. Don't play around with it. Really hard to check the radiator. Okay, so just just pop the hose out for the transmission for both hoses. Alright. I use this one, okay? A tool, hose removal tool. It's my favorite tool. I love it. It's been with me like almost 10 years right now. It's still working good. So did you see it? The hose already disconnected, and this one for the transmission. Just leave it alone. And the radiator is ready to come out right now. So let me rest the cameras up a little bit. Okay, time to lift it up. Okay. Look at guy. It's nothing special on changing radiator on that car. Very simple. You can try at home and save a lot of money. Alright, come out. It come out. Let me put on the side. Did you guys see it? I had to find a place to put the camera. Maybe put the camera from here, okay? You see 3 holes here. 1, 2, 3. You need to remove it. Alright? Remove 3 holes here. Very good. Very good. Now just remove the 3 bolts. And let me show you guys the radiator. This one is a brand new radiator, okay? I got from Denso. First time fitted. This one the best radiator. Because the dealership they use the same brand name, the Denso, the same thing, okay? So let me cut a strap here, cut in here, and time to install the new. Oh, sorry. Time to install the new radiator fan. The radiator. Just pull the radiator fan from the old one and reinstall it. You guys see it? Okay, perfect. Just 3 bolts for number 10mm. Just put it back. This job is a very simple job. Okay, very simple, very simple. All you guys can do at home and positive. Okay. So just tighten it up. And the span here, the transmission cooler hose. Okay, let me transfer it. Okay. The clamp here a little bit old. I'm not going to use it, so just use my special. Okay, this one's out. And this is a tool to pop it. Come out. Okay, it's out now, so just install. Okay. Got the hose back in. Alright, so one more. Just put it back in. See it, guys? Like I said, it's a very simple job. Put the clamp back in. Boom. And the other side, the clamp. And the last one, the radiator hose. Pull it up, twist it, and put it back in. See, like I said, boom. bring the tools up a little bit. Then I bring the camera up there. It's time to install it. It's like I said, right? Simple, very simple. So just leave it with the little radiator. Just put it. Let me move the camera to the side. You can see it. Okay, just put it in. Right. Alright, just see it. Almost done, guys. Almost done. So just put it back in. Plug it. Plug the radiator fan, and I need to clamp 2 more clamps. Brand new clamp. 1. And 2 of them. Two brand new clamp. Alright, so that you see in here, just install, just put the new clamp board for the transmission cooler hose. Just plug it, and the other side plug it. Okay, and next you can install the upper radiator hose and the lower radiator hose. Okay, let me put it. And one more on the lower one. It's gonna be a little bit tough. Okay. Can you guys see it? It's hard for me, to hold the camera and do the job, so I just put the camera in one place. Okay, so it's almost done, guys. Almost done. So the next I'm gonna tighten up the transmission clamp a little bit. So just tighten it. Perfect one, and other one. Okay, so the next part in here, we're gonna put the hose back in. Okay, it's very simple. Go in, just pop it up a little bit. This one gonna be going too. Okay, perfect now. And it's time to reinstall the upper radiator supporter, and don't forget to put the overflow one. Okay, so install it. forget to put a pad in here. Okay. Install it back. Is let me find the screw. Where the screw? Put it. Oh, here. Behind me. So install the bolt. Reinstall it, and after this you fill up the engine coolant. It good to go, guys. You want to save some money, try it at home, and you have question, let me know. I'm happy to help you out with it. So this one was the one. And the horn is number 12 in the mirror here. I'm not gonna tie it up yet. I'm gonna use the gas. Two. So. Okay. So where am I going to go? Wait, I'll be back shortly. The last bolt here is number 10mm. Ooh, I forgot one, two more here. But do this one first. Okay, so wait 1 second, guys. Almost done. Got 2 more on cut here. Right. Okay, it's all set, guys. It's all set to go right now. But the last part, you need to fill up the engine coolant and keep the engine run like 10 minutes or 20 minutes, and you good to go, guys. This is how to start from start to finish it. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Any questions, just let me know. Okay, this one is how to do the radiator replace. Okay, thank you.